Yes, sir. So, may I know your name and when did you attend this program?
I am Sanjay Sahai, working with Indian Oil as Executive Director Aviation. I have attended this program sometime in 2004, named Piloting the Future. It was probably second batch. तो हम लोग भी यहाँ पर वही सोच के आए दैट इट इज़ गोइंग टू बी fun and some kind of fun with picnic. But when we went back from here, we took lot of things which I am still carrying and which has helped me in my personal and professional career.
So, can we know few things?
First and foremost, building relation. जो लोग हमारे साथ थे यहाँ पर ड्यूरिंग वेरियस एक्सरसाइजेस वी ऑल वेयर डूइंग द एक्सरसाइज टुगेदर. कहीं ऐसा लग रहा था मैं गिर जाऊँगा तो वहाँ किसी दूसरे ने मुझे बचाया एंड सेम थिंग आई डिड विथ अदर्स. दैट मेड अस फ्रेंड्स फॉर एवर एंड आई स्टिल नो ऑल दोज पीपल personally to the extent I know their families also who were with me in 2004 in Piloting the Future.
So, how did it benefit knowing world India wise people too?
Now, currently I am heading the business vertical of aviation in Indian Oil, which is holding 61% plus market share for so many years. The business is close to 40,000 crores business, and it is spread from Thwais to Car Nicobar Campbell Way, from Bhuj to Zero along Pasighat in Arunachal Pradesh. We have to serve this country day and night during all natural calamities, during war-like situation, during normal days. We cater to the fastest growing aviation economy of the world. Every fourth day when we receive a new aircraft in this Indian sky, it is Indian Oil which is serving more than 61% always. And we open aviation fuel stations wherever required. The latest one is 119th at Agati, which is on the island of Lakshadweep and Minikoy. Now, first thing I said about building relation. Second is when I was here in 2004, probably my weight was 82 kg. I was diabetic, still diabetic. So after I went back from here, probably I might have lost 1.5 kg in 4 days camp. But I reduced 14 kg after I went back to Calcutta,
Oh, wow.
and I'm able to maintain that. The addiction of exercise in the morning was injected into my blood by Z-Back, and I
So,
still carry that infection. So
so how
morning
was the
food
stay arrangement like?
arrangements were wonderful because we had to make our own arrangements. We pitched our own tents. To the extent we cooked our own food also. And one evening we had to eat burnt khichdi. Jawans were helping us to collect wood from the jungle and then cook. Well, we enjoyed that. After pitching the tent, when we slept, my tent collapsed. In the other tent, one snake was discovered. So we all were awake, trembling whole night. And then there was an exercise of crossing a lake. So we had to build our own boat. We were given wood and some ropes, and then we had to create our own raft. Some people occupied the middle center seat in the raft, and they were heavyweight people. And finally, when we started sailing the raft itself, toppled. Everyone was in water. People could drink 4 liters, 5 liters of water. Of course, everybody was saved. There was no incident, there was no accident. In fact, one of my colleagues, he was trying to scare me when we were doing the exercise of rappelling, but I enjoyed. And the most important thing, learning one very very important thing which was taught to me here, I still remember. When you are part of the problem, you cannot solve the problem. So at times what happens, we are part of the problem. Second thing, And the last thing which I would like to mention, that what happens at times you are very close to success, which was taught here. You have done 90%, but the balance 10% is not visible to you.
In
So
the
you
wall
try to
climbing.
withdraw.
In the wall climbing.
Wall climbing. So we were very close to success, and then we decided, okay, pack up and go, not possible. But we were very close to success. And the moment I moved little away from the rock, that means I came out of the problem, because I was part of the problem. I was so close to the problem that problem was not visible to me. So I put my eyes little away from the rock, and I could see the success, and in one step I was on the top. I mean, these are some of the things.
And what time you used to wake up like this?
4 o'clock in the morning, actually, we could not sleep properly, because every time the Jawan will come in the evening around 9 o'clock, and he'll see that everybody is sleeping, but nobody used to sleep. Everybody was scared something will happen in the tent. But 4 o'clock, we all used to be in line, and we enjoyed that. Still a lifelong memory for me.
So I think now you are planning to send your next lines here for the trainings.
I'm trying to include all my people in this training. But yes, there are difficulties, because we have to run the entire country's aviation, I would say. So in batches, we'll try to send all officers. I also want to send my workmen who are in the field, because they are also very important stakeholder in the entire business, and our JV partners also, who are working day and night, doing about 2,000 flights a day.
So thank you very much for coming all the way for 1 hour talk from Mumbai to Kolad, and then giving your I think golden tips to your team as such. Thank you very much.
Thank you.